Welcome to the project demonstration of Android mobile phone Bluetooth controlled AC induction motor speed controlling. So here we are going to send the commands from the mobile phone to the kit through the Bluetooth. So here we are using HC05 Bluetooth module to receive the commands from Android mobile phone application. The received commands will be given as input to the PIC16F73 microcontroller. So based on the commands, we are going to control the speed of the AC motor. So to control the speed of the AC motor, we are going to use two major components. One is the triac board and another is a zero crossing detector. So in DC, if you want to control the speed of any DC motor, then directly we can use a transistor or any MOSFET directly by using the PWM technique, because there is no zero over there. Only the zero will be the zero and the voltage is starting onwards 5 volts or 12 volts. So but now in AC voltage, the alternating current, so there is a chance of we'll get the 0 and 230 volts and 0. That is the variable current. That is the alternating current. So in order to find the zero crossing, we are making use of this circuit. So it consists of DB107 full wave bridge rectifier and potential divider circuit and BC547 transistor. So this bridge rectifier will convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC, and there the pulses will be given as input to the transistor base. So whenever the pulse starts, means whenever the 12 volts AC waveform starts, then automatically the transistor will get switched on. So the controller will came to know that from there we need to regulate the voltage, means we need to control the on time. So parallelly the speed of the motor will be controlled, means when the zero crosses, the controller will take a decision to on the triac. So the on time of the triac will be defined by the input from our Bluetooth module. Consider if we enter 0, then 0 on time, so the motor is off state. If we enter the 4, maximum on time, so the motor will with the maximum speed. Like that we have divided the speed into 5 stages, 0 to 4, 5 stages divided, and parallelly we are going to dividing the on time also divided to 5 times. One nothing but only 20% of the on time will be given to this triac. Then the triac will allow the 20% of the 230 volts given to the AC motor. So like that we are going to regulate the speed of the AC motor by triggering this triac. So here the power flow is 230 volts AC inputs parallelly to the motor through this triac board. We can see that the triac was connected in series to the load, and next parallelly given as input to the transformer. So here we are using 09 transformer. So the output of the transformer is 9 volts AC voltage given as input to this regulated power supply board. So parallelly 9 volts AC given as input to the zero crossing detector to detect the zero crosses timing. And next, this regulated power supply board consists of 4 stages. One is the rectifier, filter and regulation, and directly output to the 5 volts output to the PIC16F73 microcontroller. So once it get the power supply, start reading input from the HC05 Bluetooth module. So we have interfaced that at pin number C6 and C7 of our microcontroller, and zero crossing interface at B0, and next triac interface at the A5. So on this motherboard we have the 3 major components. One is the crystal oscillator to provide the clock pulse to the microcontroller, and another is the microcontroller to read the input and controlling the outputs, and third one is the crystal oscillator reset switch to restart the microcontroller. So here the oscillating purpose is we have provided the set of instructions to the controller to read the input signal and controlling the output triac. So these instructions coded inside the microcontroller in embedded C language. So if you want to control the inputs and outputs, we need to provide the clock signals, means 1 clock pulse per instruction, so that controller provided by the 20 megahertz of oscillating frequency. So controller can execute 20 mega instructions per second. So first, before on the kit, install this application from the Play Store. So this is a Bluetooth terminal application we need to install from the Play Store. And now switch on the power supply to the kit. So the system has a Bluetooth module blinking very fast, as we need to pair to the Bluetooth module. So go to Bluetooth settings. So previously we have paired. So now let us go on with the from starting step onwards. When you are executing this project in first time in our mobile phone, so first of all we need to pair it from this settings. So it will ask for the password. The password is 1234 is the password. pairing was done successfully. And now go to the application. There we can see HC05. So after repairing from the settings, you can see the HC05 over here. So now predefined it will come with the BTN1, BTN2. So if you want to change that, then click on the button. So we can change 0 here. First change. Second change is type number 0, and third step is deselect these two. So 0 typing and 0 number typing and deselect these two. So like that, 1 also. So 1 deselect. So like that, keep 2 changes for the remaining buttons, 3 and deselect. Right. So now 1. So we can observe the motor is start rotation. 2. 3. 4. Again 0. Right. Again 1. 2. 4. So in this manner we are going to control the speed of a AC induction motor by controlling the on time by using BT136 triac board.